socially confused all the time. I can't get no satisfaction in activity, sitting heavily like stones upon my shoulders, weighing down on me. So let's spread our wings to bigger, better things, flying to another world. Let's go. When every door was locked away, with every possibility. Okay, okay, just another day. I'll break the wall that's in my way. I'm shooting past that limit break. I'm certain this is just a piece of cake. Just wait and see how strong I'll be. I'll reach invincibility.